Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Google Drive. The next thing you need to do is to select the particular PDF that you want to sign on. You must upload it on your Google Drive. And for that, I'm going to use this particular PDF right here. So I'm going to open up the PDF. After you open up the PDF, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon right here. That's going to take you right here. You can choose the pen color you want. You can switch from this particular color to this or this. It depends on the color you are looking at. So I'm going to try and see this particular first color right here. And I will put a signature. Just like so. So I can simply undo it if the signature is not exactly how I want to sign it. So we can also make use of this particular pen color right here and see how it's look like. So this is so bold, so I'm going to undo it. So we can try the last pen right here. So this is going to give us white color. So this is good when you assign on a color paper. Like for instance, we have blue right here. If I try to make a signature on the blue paper, then we can use this type of pen color. So I'm going to use this pen color right here, and I'll put in my signature right here. It's that simple. Once you are done with your signature, next thing you can do is to hit on save right here. Then you have it right here. Then you can easily download the PDF. Click on here to download the PDF. And then click on download. Then you can save it into your phone. It's that simple. For more tutorial, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.